Hi, my name is Jennifer, and for this persuasive speech, the topic question is, should social media platforms be more regulated and more strict to curb misinformation? The answer is yes, because as much as social media connects billions of people, it also spreads false information that harms democracy or public health and our trust. Simply with research that you can find as soon as you look up this topic on Google would be Pew's research. It proves that 64% of Americans say fake news causes confusion about basic facts. I do believe social media platforms should be more strictly regulated to stop the spread of this misinformation. A few of the points that I'll be covering would be that misinformation threatens democracy, it really endangers our public health, and then our critical thinking with our social trust do not coincide anymore because we're just so afraid of what should we trust and we're not fact checking. So first point would be like the threats to democracy. Just a recent study, an MIT 2018 recent study, found that false news spreads 6 times faster on Twitter, social media platform, than the actual true stories. False information spreading this fast can literally cause to, like us to influence what we like our decision making, or like what side we choose to lean on when it comes to like elections and voting. Second point would be threats for public health. Like for example, during the COVID-19 pandemic, so I was post about like cures and vaccines and all these little things were like spreading widely that were obviously false posts. There was no evidence to see how like effective these cures or what these vaccines were. Also, it was a loss of trust. Just the constant lies, making it so hard to know what's real, was really awakening our social unity, or weakening our social unity. For example, a Pew research also found that half Americans say that their fake news really just lowers their confidence in what the government says, what the government does, and what we should be voting on when it comes to election time. And I think that if we ignore this misinformation, democracy will weaken, like eventually, and then people will start like distrusting science, not believing in it anymore, and also our society will be massively divided. A world without truth also means that we can't make good decisions, we can't problem solve, at least not any real world problems. And honestly, I think that we should make that lawmakers and tech companies should really make this a point and not really value, their profit. They should value the truth. They should really consider that, like, your social media, is, we're trying to connect, we're trying to get informed and not misled and not misinformed. So, yeah.